Hi, my name's Jessica and I have no idea what I'm doing. Today, I know the other day I tried out this guy, which so far I like. I think it would work well with this guy. I know this was limited edition and they don't sell it anymore, but if you happen to have both of these in your makeup collection, I think they're going to work well together, so let's try it out. So this one opens more, I just noticed that. See that? The problem that a lot of people had with this one is that it only has one matte and it's basically like a little transition, but I don't know, this was one of my first high-end purchases, so to me it made it, I don't know, easier. It was like, okay, just throw this in the crease, here's my highlight, and like pick one or two shades, and that was it, you know? Actually, you know what? This seems more like a fairy dust than this one, but that's okay. So yeah, that shade, I was thinking originally that maybe this one would be similar to something in here. Not really. No. Really, so like that's cool toned and this is warm toned. This one's like more in the middle, so yeah. So I'm going to start by going in with Gossamer from this one with my dollar store brush and just set the my eyeshadow primer from crease to brow bone. Then I'm going to use my fluffy brush from Wish, and I think I'm going to jump right into this one, Whimsical. That could be a mistake. We'll find out. Yeah, okay, so I gotta be careful with that. But honestly, it's only because I'm so pale. The other one works better as a transition, but you know, there's no rules. You could do whatever you want. So I be a little careful to make sure I don't end up with a harsh line here. And just to make sure it gets exactly where I want it, I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics brush with a 3 on it and make sure I get in there. Going in with my IBY crease brush, I'm going to go into Wish, which is the dark plum. Looks good. And today, instead of using the brush, I'm going to go in with my pinky and put Wish out here on the outer third. Wow, that's nice. Very, like it feels almost a little dry, but I mean, you see the color is rich. Now, from this palette, I'm going to go in with Fairy on my pinky. I'm hoping you can't hear my parents in the background. Just blend the two together. Oops, keep moving out of frame. Oh, I like that. A little more. And then I'm going to go in with Mystic, which is the light silver blue. Because I do have a shirt in mind for today. And of course, we're going to match the eyeshadow to the shirt. Next, I'm going to go in with my dollar store brush, and I'm going to go into the highlighter in the middle of this one. I don't think this one has a name either, but that's okay. I know a lot of people didn't like this highlight. Again, I'm in the minority of the makeup community, It's more subtle and it's glittery, which is something that I enjoy. So that's why other people didn't like it. Basically, I'm just going to mimic what I did on the top. So I'm going to start with Wish. Oh, and this is my BH Cosmetics brush with a 5 on it. Then I'm going to go in with Fairy. And then finally, Mystic. So I actually really like that. The deep purple took the colors in the other palette to like a whole different look. So I recommend, if you have both of them in your collection, use them together if you haven't already, because which one is it? Love, Trust, and Fairy Dust, that's the one. Adds some more matte options, and of course a few more shimmer options. So the two of them together can create looks like this. So hope you have a good day, no matter what you're doing, all 4 of you. Bye!